Today we are in Kharkiv at the SQLSaturday conference. 13 speakers from 5 countries, more than 200 attendees, interesting and relevant topics about SQL Server and databases. Let's have a closer look at the event that are happening here today and ask the questions to the speakers and guests about these events.
My session was about Power Query. It is one of ETL tools in Power Platform. So I explain it how it works and how to use it in advanced.
Oh, so I'm giving 2 sessions today, and they're actually sort of related because both of them, the first one is talking about, loops, why you should not write loops, why you should use set-based statements instead. And the second one I talk, sometimes, yes, set-based statements is great, but sometimes maybe you need, if they're really large things you operate on, maybe you should break them up in chunks. So both of them are basically basic topics about, but the core engine T-SQL programming, because that's basically what I do talk about. I mean, you have 3 SQL Saturdays in 1 year. There's few other countries in Europe that can match that. Of course, Ukraine is bigger than, it's one of the bigger countries in terms of population, but still, that's quite impressive. Yes, there seems to be quite an interest. I mean, there's something going on in the IT industry in Ukraine.